Let's look at this one. The average of three integers is 13. When a natural number n is included, then the average of these four integers remains an odd number. That remains as an odd number. The minimum possible value of n is what the question is talking about. So if I look at the sum of these three integers, that will turn out to be 3 into 30, which gives me what? 39. Right? Now the fourth integer I'm including in this, which becomes n. So 39 plus n is the sum, and you are dividing it by 4, and that will be the average, and you want the average to be an odd number. And for that, what will be the minimum possible value of a is what the question is. If you evaluate this a little more carefully, you can rewrite this as 9 plus of 3 plus n divided by 4 should be an odd number. Now we again need to understand that 9 is an odd number. If 3 plus n by 4 becomes an odd number, then the sum of two odd numbers will be an even number. That means this has to be an even number for the sum to be an odd number. Now, that means what? 3 plus n divided by 4 must be an even number. Now, if you put n equals to 1 over here, it will get divisible by 4 and it will give you 1, but 9 plus 1 will give you an even number, right? So you need this to be an odd number over here in the numerator. So at n equals to 1, it will work, and post that, it will work at n equals to 5 because it will give you the numerator as 8. When n was equals to 1, the numerator was becoming 4. Next multiple will be what? 8. So the numerator should become 8, and hence n should be equals to 5. At n equals to 5, you will realize that the numerator will become 8 divided by 4 will become 2, and 9 plus 2 will give you an odd number, which is 11. And hence the minimum possible value of n has to be